How to fix camera not working on Messenger in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, check your camera works properly or not. Now open your camera and here you can see my camera works properly. After that, open Messenger and then open chat. Now here you can see the camera icon. Now click on this camera icon. Now here you can allow camera access in device settings. Now click on open settings and here you can turn on your camera option. After turn on your camera option, it will give access to use your camera in Messenger. After that, go back to your screen and open system settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Messenger and here you can offload your Messenger app. After offload it, then reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.